put these back after finding there's plenty of grebe action and one little dingo action, but that's it. So with all the pig mess, I put it up a tree. I put the camera on a tree and it was too high. I guessed it was pointing in the right direction, but I guessed wrong. So let's put it back and see what we can come up with, I'd say. Try a different tree. That wasn't a very good shaped tree. Oh yeah. Gonna tell you, this breeze is not, it's only 16 degrees according to the weather. Yeah. Anyway. We'll get there. We'll get there. Get back, I got to put 2 track pads on and that'll finish Vader off, well, until I change his oil and all of that. He's got enough hydraulic oil, we've had enough leaks to have new oil put through. I'm going to change the oil in the engine because DWL machinery, Western Sydney, didn't tighten the fan belts, and I don't think they did any maintenance on it before it came to me. Well, I'm not sure. There's no maintenance manual or anything with it. So I'm going to say no, it had no... Well, the air cleaner wasn't new, and a few other things weren't new, so I'm going to say, just from that, I'm going to say no, the oil wasn't changed, the oil filter wasn't changed. Even though they got 5 mechanics, nothing was done. I personally wouldn't buy from them ever again. Never again. Never. What a mess they are. Anyway. I couldn't rubbish them enough, I don't think. That company. Well, not rubbish, but tell you the truth about what happened to me. And if you think it's rubbish, well, then there's the rubbish part. But anyway, all right. That will finish the track work on Vader anyway. The thumb's working okay. That's good. It's got a bit of a. The thumb does have a little bit of a leak. Well, the solenoid lets the pressure pass, so the ram comes down. Now, I don't know how that works because you try and plug in an attachment and you can't plug it in because there's pressure in the line. Maybe the pressure's building up and coming down now. I don't know. What do we got now? Nothing. So where am I going to put this thing? I could put it on that one up there, but then too many little trees in the way. Anyway, we will endeavour to find a tree that will be good, because the one over there that I had it on is the wrong direction, and I didn't even, it was filming the water and not the beach, so to speak. So I ordered some batteries, and Australia, I think it's 5,000 kilometres across. Oh look, there's the grebes. I like them. One male, one female. Anyway, I ordered them. I actually drove down to the store and said, mate, it's an Australia-wide store. Anyway, I said, mate, I'll have a couple of 138 amp hour batteries, please. No, we're all out, mate. And I said, mate, I've driven for an hour. Why don't you put it on your website that you're out? You know? You can order online, but don't turn up because we ain't got one for you. Anyway, insulators. We've had an electric fence here before. Goes over there. Anyway, so I'm going to put the the one on this side, facing out there, here, on this post. So, back in a second. All right. Dang dog went in the dam. He's wet as a shag, which is a type of bird. Call it cormorant. He thinks it's funny, but he's running all the way home, about 2 kilometres. I can't wait for that. He does like to run, so he won't mind. I'll just have to go slow so he doesn't hurt himself, because I'm not having a wet dog wetting me on this very cold day. I told him not to. He knew, but did it anyway because he's young and stupid. Anyway, just wondering, I could probably use the same tree, but I'll put it really close to the ground. The other one's on that little post over there, that white post, and it's faced towards that corner. So I can put it right down there and face it towards the... Okay, back in a minute. Come on, let's go for a run. You went in the dam, you're running. Now let's go slow so you don't hurt your leg. I don't want to hurt you, but I don't want to have a wet dog on my back. This will be good exercise for you anyway. Been a bit cold, we've been inside doing video stuff. Anymore. He'll let me on. No, I won't. You've got to run all the way home, you idiot. It'll dry you off anyway. We're only going slow. We're doing 28 kilometres an hour. I'll slow down to 10 or 12. You can even have a sniff on the way home. 8 peas and 3 poos and a sniff. Get out the road, you idiot. I'll run you over. Not on purpose, but if you stop, I will. Get out the road. You did go in the dam when I told you not to. Silly doggy, you will learn. It's a long way, isn't it? Hey? But you're going to sleep good tonight. I'm going to give you a bath yet. When I have my shower in a minute. Show it off. Only doing 26 kilometres an hour. Come on. You want to go in the dam when you're told not to? You silly doggy. You don't have to go in the dam for a drink. But when you start swimming around, that's a little cheeky. Come on. Keep going, we're nearly home. You're doing good. dirt up in my face. I think you're meant to do that. Oh, look at the spider web here. That must be a big spider. Let's have a look. Can we see it? Oh, maybe some bird ate it. That's a big web. That's about 5 foot long. You go straight ahead because you're an idiot. Yeah, you did. Because you're an idiot, mate. You don't even know where you're going. Oh my God, you're funny. Went straight ahead instead of turning up the right driveway. You silly doggy. Need a drink. I'll open the van in a second. Did you like that, mate? Did you like your run after going in the dam? You stupid dog. Silly dog. Anyway, trail cam 1 and 2 are back out. Sonny's had the run of his life. He loves running. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Ring the little bell for notifications. See you next time.